How to transfer crypto from Huobi Wallet to external wallet. First of all, open your preferred browser and log in to your account. From the top menu, go to Assets and click on Transfer option. If your funds are stored in other sections like futures, margin or options, you will first need to transfer them to your spot wallet before making a withdrawal. Select the direction of the transfer, for example, from futures to spot or from options to spot. Choose the coin you want to transfer, enter the amount and click transfer. Once the funds are moved successfully to your spot wallet, they will be available for withdrawal. Next, click on the withdraw button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send and choose the appropriate blockchain network. Carefully paste your external wallet address, enter the withdrawal amount and double-check all the details before proceeding. Once confirmed, complete any required 2FA or email verification for security. After submission, Huobi will process your withdrawal request. Always make sure the destination wallet supports the same blockchain network to avoid any loss of funds. Now you know how to transfer crypto from Huobi Wallet to an external wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.